Welcome to the Grammar Lab. Today, we're focusing on the proper noun, one of the most useful building blocks in the English language. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify any proper noun and apply the specific capitalization they require. To start, we need to establish our foundation. A regular noun is simply a naming word used to identify people, places, or things. Moving from general naming words to specific proper nouns is what allows your writing to become precise. Proper nouns are the specific individual names given to a person, a place, or an object. This includes individual identities, such as Raheen, Taka, or Bangladesh. To determine if a word is an actual proper noun or simply a category, we can use a mental check called the contrast test. On the left side of this diagram, we have the generic word boy. On the right, we have a specific name, Rahim. When you look at a word, ask yourself, is this any boy or a specific boy? Rahim identifies exactly who is being discussed. Checking for this level of specificity draws a clear line between general categories and proper nouns. Now that we have a framework for specificity, we can use two main indicators to identify proper nouns in any context. As shown on this checklist, a proper noun must represent a specific name, and it must begin with a capital letter. This capitalization is required regardless of where the word appears in your sentence. These criteria apply to more than just people. They extend to geographic locations and objects. In this matrix, the generic category of a city maps to the name Dhaka, while the generic concept of a country maps to Bangladesh. This logic also applies to nature and time, mapping a general river to the Padma River, or a calendar day to Sunday. Note that the standalone word river is not proper. Only the full specific title qualifies for capitalization. Applying these two indicators to any category, whether people, geography, or time, ensures you identify the proper noun correctly. Next, we'll move from isolated words to locating proper nouns within full sentences. In this first sentence, we can isolate Rahim as the specific name of the person performing the action. In this description of a location, our criteria lead us to the specific city, Dhaka. And here, we isolate the name of the specific nation, Bangladesh. We must also address a frequent error, using lowercase letters for proper nouns when they appear in the middle of a sentence. This graphic shows the correction. Because it is a specific name, Rahim must always be capitalized. The same is true for locations. A lowercase Dhaka should be corrected to start with a capital D every time it is written. Correctly capitalizing these names signals to the reader that you are referring to a specific entity rather than a general concept. Now, let's test these identification steps with a quick quiz. Look at these two sentences. Identify the single proper noun currently on the screen. If you chose Rahim, you correctly identified the specific name that required a capital letter. You now have the tools needed to identify, format, and use proper nouns with confidence.